Hello everyone, welcome to my channel My Bachpan. Today I am going to talk about Holi festival. Holi is one of the most popular festivals of India. Holi is known as the festival of colors and celebrated in the month of March. Holi marks the arrival of spring and the end of winter. It also celebrates the victory of good over evil. The festival is connected with the story of Prahlad and Holika. On the night before Holi, people light a bonfire known as Holika Dahan. This symbolizes the burning of evil. On the day of Holi, people play with color, powder and water. They sing, dance and share sweets with family and friends. Holi spreads happiness, love and unity. It teaches us to forget our differences and live together peacefully. If this video is helpful for you, please do like and share with your friends and family. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel, My Bachpan. Thank you for watching this video.